What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix the error which says you all need a new app to open this ms-windows-store. We will discuss the method from basic to advanced to fix this error. But before going further, I like to suggest you to watch the complete video before you opt for any of the method given in this video. Without further ado, let's talk about the method you need to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your computer. If you are getting a minor glitch in Microsoft Store, then reset might help you to fix the problem. If not, other method can help you to fix the problem. But before you try to opt for other step, restart your PC to check if that help you to fix the problem. Method 2. Check the date and timing. You have to make sure your date and the timing is accurate. If your date and timing are not matched, then any application you open in your Windows 10 gonna throw you the error in your screen. So it's really important for you to check the timing and the date are correct or not. If they are not correct, then you have to change the date and the timing. For to change it, click in here and type date. As you can see, date and time settings, click open, scroll it down. As you can see, date, time and regional formatting, click on it. Again scroll it down, click on additional date, time and regional setting. As you can see, this is screen which help you to change the date and time. Click on set the time and date. From here you can change the time zone as well if you think your time zone is not correct. Click on set the time and date. Click on change date and time. From this page, you can change the year, month, date and the timing. Method 3. Reset Microsoft Store cache. For to reset the Microsoft Store cache, you have to type a command in PowerShell. For to open the PowerShell, take your cursor on Windows icon and do a right click. You will get Windows PowerShell admin in here. If you are not getting PowerShell in here, then you can type in here PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. Here click on Yes. Now here you have to type the command to reset the cache. Type wsreset.exe. All commands are given in the description, so you can copy it and paste it in the PowerShell. Or either you can simply see the command and type in here. After typing the command, press enter and reset the cache of Microsoft Store. Method 4. Reset Microsoft Store. For to reset the Microsoft Store, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Apps. Here you have to type Store. Once you'll have Microsoft Store in here, click on it. Click on Advanced Options, scroll it down. From here you can reset the Microsoft Store. As you can see the information, it says if this app is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. That means the account you have used to sign into Microsoft Store gonna sign out automatically once you'll click on reset. So you have to sign in using the same account for the Microsoft Store. And do remember, I'm only talking about Microsoft Store. I'm not talking about Windows. Method 5. Run troubleshooting. For to run the troubleshooting, which is usually used to troubleshoot the apps related problem, but you can try it to reset the Microsoft Store. Click on Windows icon, click on Settings. Here scroll it down, click on Update and Security. On the left hand side, you'll get Troubleshoot. Click on it. Now scroll it down and you'll see additional troubleshooters. Now scroll it down to the bottom and you'll see Windows Store apps. Click on it and click Run the Troubleshooter. Method 6. Restore point. A restore point is used to restore your PC to the back date when your computer was working perfectly fine. Whenever we install a new application in our PC, that time some of the application creates a restore point. So if you have the restore point when your computer was working perfectly fine, then you can restore your computer on that date. For to open the restore point, type in here RSTIUI. Click on Open. As you can see, System Restore. Click Next as you can see, it's showing the date and the timing and the description and the type. As I created this restore point manually, so it's showing me manual option. If any application created the restore point in my PC, then it shows the information automatically in here. If you are not able to see the restore point in here, then you'll see an option to show more restore point on the left bottom side. Check that box and you can see all of the restore point in here. You can select that restore point and click on scan for affected programs. If you're satisfied with the affected programs, then click next and it will ask you to restart your PC. Simply restart your PC and it will start restoring your Windows 10. Method 7. Re-register Microsoft Store. For to re-register the Microsoft Store, you have to open the PowerShell, do a right click on the Windows icon, select Windows PowerShell Admin, click Yes. As I already informed you, the commands are given in the description, so you simply have to copy it and paste it in PowerShell. I'm opening the command. This is the command which you have to copy, which says Windows Store in here. Copy this command and paste it in here and press enter to re-register Microsoft Store. Method 8. Reinstall and re-register Microsoft Store. If you have used this command already and your Microsoft Store working perfectly fine after the restart, then you do not have to opt for method 8. If it's not working, then you have to opt for method 8. You have to select the next command, which is this one. So simply copy this command and paste it in PowerShell. Method 9. Use unrestricted executive policy. For to use this option, open the PowerShell. First you have to type this command in here in the PowerShell. Copy this command and paste it in here and press enter. From here you can read the information, type Y, press enter and paste this command. Method 10. Install Windows Update. As we all know, installing and updating our Windows can help us in a lot of different ways because the latest patches can help us to reset the Microsoft Store as well. So you have to try updating your Windows 10 because sometime that option works for the users. Click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Update and Security. Here click on Check for Updates and update your Windows. Method 11. Perform SFC scan and DISM scan. For this, you have to open the PowerShell and you have to use all of these commands listed in the description. First, copy this command SFC space /scannow, press enter and let it finish the SFC command, and after that you have to type this command for to check health, scan health and to restore the health. As you can understand with the name, it's gonna help you to restore the health of your Microsoft Store and the Windows. Method 12. Reset Windows 10. This is the last method which I like to suggest to you if none of the options are working. Resetting your Windows 10 can help you in a lot of different ways. As you all know, it's gonna refresh your PC completely and you can select Keep My File, which not gonna delete any of your file from your PC, including the images, the videos you have, or any kind of data you have in your PC. It's not gonna delete that and it will reset your complete window like a fresh new Windows. Included in that, it's gonna uninstall all of the applications you have in your PC, including Microsoft Office as well. For to reset the Windows 10, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, scroll it down, click on Update and Security. Here click on Recovery. From here you can reset this PC. Click on this one, Get Started, and select Keep My File. As you can see the information in here, it says remove apps and setting but keeps your personal files. So you can use this option as well. If any of the method help you to fix the problem, then give a thumbs up, leave your feedback in the comment section which method help you to fix the problem, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.